and the bezel comes off. Bezel is removed. Now at this point the crystal can start to rotate because it's only being held by the gasket, not by the pressure from the bezel. So just take a bit of care, remove this part, remove that part. Now what you're gonna have to do is make sure that you have enough space. You take your bezel and you put your bezel on. At this point it doesn't really matter that much yet. Now you're gonna screw it down. And at this point it's very important that everything is perpendicular. So you gotta check, is this line, the case, the bezel and the top line, are they all perpendicular with each other? If they're not, then you can play around a bit with pushing it or restarting. But that's important, don't start to push when it's crooked. If it's all good, just start screwing it down until you feel resistant. Go back up and check, is the bezel seated properly? In this case, there's no gap between the bezel and the case. And if you made it this far, well, congratulations. You have successfully swapped the bezel from smooth to fluted, and you can reinstall your bracelet and have a fluted Datejust instead of a smooth one. Or if you're just replacing the crystal or whatever, you've removed it and it's successfully back together. So if you want to purchase the tool, email me, email is in the description. As I said, you have the base, 2 inserts and the crystal holder. And it's as easy as this, 5 minutes and you've replaced your bezel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you purchased the tool and tried it out, would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below as well. Thanks for watching.